Welcome to C49 Hockey Breaks box break number 2. Box of 14-15 Upper Deck Premier. Got a little bit better lighting here, but let's see if we can get the box number here. We got 066. 066 Upper Deck Premier. Let's get it. $14.15. Definitely one of my favorite rookie classes. Love the Premier tins. Just one pack in this. Nice thick one here. And once again, we will cover up the championship banner. Alright, let's get it. One pack. Let's hit something big. Oh, looks like we got a booklet. Nice. Got a booklet. Alright. First card, we got base card to 249. Max Pacioretty. Still wearing the A there, not the captain yet there. I know he's in Vegas now. We got ourselves a redemption for a Premier Acetate Rookie Auto, Johnny Gaudreau. We'll have to try to get that, hopefully get that redeemed, as it is more than a year past the expiry date. All right, let's skip past the booklet. And let's skip that card too, because I'm definitely a fan of that one. We got a jersey card, numbered to 125. Chris Kunitz. We got a Premier Rookies Auto to 299 of Barclay Goodrow. And we got a base card, number to 249 of Joey Hishin. Filming this video here shortly after that first break, so Instagram's still sitting there at 2 followers. Alright, leaving the booklet for last. It's not who I thought it is, but nice patch here. We got a Premier patch to 25 of Yuri Laterra. Seen the Blues there, and I was really hoping it was a Colton Parayko. Alright, and our booklet. A Premier Rinks of Honor of Felix Potvin. Nice gold auto on the Rinks of Honor. All right, that does it for break number 2, the 14-15 Upper Deck Premier. Really hoping I'll be able to get this Johnny Gaudreau acetate rookie auto redeemed. All right, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more breaks. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow the Instagram too. And comment below what you want to see next.